what you see in me. You see the truth, see the me in me. You see enough to believe in me. You see your son, but is he in me? Oh, 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 oh. And I know what you see in me. You see the truth, see the me in me. You see enough to believe in me. You see your son, but is he in me? Oh, oh, oh.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to say thank you, a big thank you to all of you guys out there who subscribe to my channel. I have already 102 subscribers. That's so great. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate. Anyways, I would like to say that I'm going to have some changes in my days of uploading. Initially, I was uploading every Fridays, but I started work. I got a job, and that will make some changes in my, my schedule. Before I was learning German, because in order for you to work here, study here in Germany, you have to really speak very good German. But I gave it a little break right now because I learned up to a certain level and I am working now. That means I'm not going to be able to upload videos every Fridays, but at least I'll be uploading every week, not just Friday. Maybe I'm thinking between Wednesday and Tuesday. So by next week, I'll be very sure which days I'll be uploading. So anyway, still thank you so much. I really appreciate it. First, I start by priming my face. I use the MAC primer. Priming your face before putting foundation is very important because primer helps the makeup to stay in place, to stay smooth for the whole day. I mean, if you're putting your makeup for the whole day. Also, for people that have pores or wrinkles or breakouts, primer helps to eliminate the visibility of all those things. So it's very important that you prime your face before putting the foundation. After priming my face, I like to go straight to my eyebrows. I find it easier to do my eyebrows before putting foundation. See how my hair is not staying in one place. So annoying. Anyway, so for the eyebrows, I use normal eyebrow pencil because it is very easy to use. So I still use it. Something I notice about eyebrows, it's so difficult for me to make both sides perfect. When one side is perfect, the other side will be totally unperfect. It's crazy. I don't know if it's only me. I don't know if you guys have the same problem with these eyebrows not being the same. I've had this MAC Pro Concealer and Corrector palette for quite some time, but I never used it. So I want to try it today. Which one should I use? Because you have to use a few tones lighter than your skin tone. That would be, this is too yellow. This is probably this or this. Okay, this. Yeah. So I'll just get a little bit on my brush. I haven't used it before, so not bad. I just realized something, I have this Can you see it? I have this dark spot because I had one pimple. I had this one pimple last week and it turned black. And for this I used the Elegant Pro Concealer Color Corrector, the orange one. It's really good for concealing dark spots or pores if you have breakouts. I don't have so much of that problem, but in case you have this problem, you can get the Elegant Pro Concealer, the orange corrector. It helps to really, you know, to conceal it. I'm just going to, I use my Bobi Brown foundation. This is the long wear weightless foundation. It's a full coverage, oil free. It's great. I have combination skin, not oily, not so dry, so this is perfect for me. So my hair is doing whatever it wants. After foundation, I go straight to my eye. This is my MAC eye primer X10. The eye base primer is really very good because when you put your eyeshadow, it stays in one place. Have you noticed sometimes when you or other people put the eyeshadow, it's like all over the face. When you close your eye, it's like up to here, you know. So this eye base, I should have probably put it long time before putting foundation.
And I know what you see in me. You see the truth, see the me in me. You see enough to believe in me. You see your son, but it's he in me. Oh, 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 oh.
As I travel on this road of life, with the road in light, where the slang is engraved with a slave language, in the streets of babe with the pain of slave ships, still I submit to it, falling stiff to it. How can I never get a fit to it? I see heaven at the end, I'm trying to get to it. Scared to get lost and I admit to it, so I stick to it. This routine, me and my constituents, got it down back so we can live through it. With no love, no heart, not a glimpse of it. Rules come with the religion, hold it intimate. Thinking we live life, but we hinder it. It's ironic the way that we cling to it. Hold the fountain of youth, but never slip from it. Lifestyles of the young and the ignorant. Insolent.
Why we think I'm so high?
Inconsiderate.
You were sitting on Jesus' shoulders the whole time.
Neither me, myself, or I.
Can't help the
Fact, I won't survive.
been held back
By the hand of God.
where we sit to.
Throne is made alive, no escape from my king to hang and die. Things be claiming by people say that I've lost my brain.
I line my eyes. I'm going to use the L'Oreal eyeliner. Super, it's called Super.
Eyes on the king, but I'm feeling so low. I'm with the king, feel like I'm riding solo. Fire rain on my head, warm my cold soul. Crucify the flesh, love you to death. Still I die for my king, feeling like I won't go. Fly on his wings, feeling like I can't flow. Fire rain on my head, warm my cold soul. Crucify the flesh, love me to death. Stigmata.
Going to fix my eyelashes now. So first I have to straighten. This is for straightening the eyelashes. Before this mascara is really good. The way it prolongs, it makes your real eyelashes pop. Using this. To highlight, I'm still going to use this same I'm going to use the same highlight palette. I'm mixing both these shades together to get my contour. All nose already, so I don't need so much to contour because my nose is very tiny. I don't have to do so much. Still, I'm using the lighter part.
And I know what you see in me. You see the truth, see the me in me. You see enough to believe in me. You see your son, but it's he in me. Oh, 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 oh.
I love this highlighter.
As I travel this road of life with the road in light, where the slang is engraved with the slavery language, and the streets are paved with the pain of slave ships. Still I submit to it, falling stiff to it. How can I never get a fit to it? I see heaven at the end, I'm trying to get to it. Scared to get lost and I admit to it, so I stick to it. This routine, me and my constituents got it down back so we can live through it. But no love, no heart, not a glimpse of it. Rules come with the religion, hold it intimate. Thinking we live life, but we hinder it. It's ironic the way that we cling to it. Hold the fountain of youth, but never sit from it. Lifestyles of the young and the ignorant. Insolent.
Why we think I'm so high?
Inconsiderate.
You were sitting on Jesus' shoulders the whole time.
Neither me, myself, or I
Can't help the
fact I won't survive.
been held back
By the hand of God,
where we sit at.
throne is made alive, no escape from my king to hang and die. Things be claiming by people say that I've lost my brain, but I found my heart and God ran my cross and I hang myself to my flesh to stay alive. Blood to stain my eyes, rips inside fabric, held by the stitches tied.
For my lips, I'm going to start by moisturizing using the BB Classic Lip Moisturizer.
Riding solo, fire rain on my head, on my cold soul. Crucify the flesh, love you to death. Still I die for my king, feeling like I won't go. Fly on his wings, feeling like I can't float. Fire rain on my head, on my cold soul. Crucify the flesh, love me to death. Stigmata.
Stigmata.
Stigmata. Stigmata. Eyes on the king, but I'm feeling so low. I'm with the king, like I'm riding solo. Fire rain on my head, on my cold soul. Crucify the flesh,
Lipstick, I'm going to use Maybelline,
my king feeling like
this color.
fly on his wings, feeling like
I love it so much.
rain on my head, on my cold soul. Crucify the flesh, love me to death. Stigmata. can see the scars in my hand. Reminder that I'm only your man. Yeah, Lord, I can see the scars of your hand. Reminder that the pain is a part of the plan. I'm crying, don't go. I could barely fight it in my own soul. At times I wanna climb into my old robes, embrace the evil ways that I've been known for, what you atone for. And I know what you see in me. You see the truth, see the me in me. You see enough to believe in me. You see your son, but it's he in me. It's he in me. It's he in me.
Thank you so much, guys, once more for the support, for subscribing and liking and commenting. And yeah, I hope you learned something from watching this video. So anyways, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? More hot stuff is coming. So subscribe so you can get all the notifications whenever I upload a video. Anyway, so guys, thank you and have a lovely weekend.